In this video, I'll show you how to enable auto call recording on Android phone. So if you want to automatically record all your calls on any Android phone, then here's a real guide of how you can do this. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to automatically record all your calls on your phone, the very first thing that you have to do, simply go and open up the phone application from your device, and from the phone homepage, go and tap on this three dot line at the top left, and then tap on settings here. And once you're here inside the settings, just scroll down and tap on call recording. If you scroll down, you'll get to see an option, automatic call recording. Under this one, automatically record unknown numbers. You just need to enable this feature and tap on always record. And from now, whenever you get a call from the unknown number or you send a call from your device, those will be automatically recorded on your device. But if you want to automatically record your saved contact calls, then all you have to do is just need to tap on automatically record those numbers. You just need to select that, and you just need to make sure you have enabled this, and then tap on choose a contact, and you can individually choose those numbers that you want to be recorded. So you can either select one number, or you can even select all the saved contact that you have on your device. So I'm going to select all the contact, for example, but you can manually select those who you want to record the call for. And following the same way, you can actually select all the contact that you have on your device, or you can manually select those who you want to record the call for. And once you've done that, whenever you make a call or get a call from here, this is how your phone will record all incomings and outgoing calls on your device. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.